Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm on my own today. Well, I'm not because Susie's on the camera, but yeah, I'm on my own today in the workshop. We've been away on holiday. We've just got back after a few weeks away, so we're now on the catch-up bit. Well, since we got back off holiday, the Benelli's finished. It's all done, taxed, insured. No MOT because it doesn't need one. iBob, the Gilera, it's all done, ready. All its bits, it's all sorted. So that's done. Right. You know what we're up to as far as the Benelli goes. It's been a while, obviously, since we did anything. Right. If you look here, Susie.
Can you turn that one off?
Oh, is it? Yeah, okay. This is the forks, or the bottom parts. That's all been cleaned, ready to put the new re-chrome stanchions, which are there in the bag. And I'm just going to open them up because it's Christmas. Look at all this shiny stuff. Right. Eh? I do. I've had one somewhere. I had one the other day, but you know what it's like.
It's a blade, but
Yeah.
not a knife.
Yeah, that'll do. Right. So this is hard chroming from Philpotts. Let's not screw up the chrome trying to get in there. Oh, they're in. Ooh, look at that. Nicely done. Just going to put this away in there because it keeps falling off. Where it's been living for a while, and it just seems to be every time I come into the workshop it's decided to take a leap of faith.
A lot does.
A lot does. Okay, we've not looked at these, as you can see, but it's nice getting new, nice shiny things in the post.
Just be careful we don't scratch them, like you said.
I was going to wait till Steve got here, but I can't wait.
I'm not sure when Steve's coming, are we?
Well, we're at Cadwell Park this weekend.
Yep, he's not here.
No, he's not here, but we're at Cadwell Park this weekend. So it is, as they say, TZ time. Oh, look at those. Oh, they're nice. Yep, all shiny and new. Lovely job. Thank you, Mr. Philpott. So they're done. They're nice and they're ready for a rebuilding as soon as we're ready. Right, what we got here?
Next pass squiggle.
Next parcel. Right. Any ideas, Sue?
Chocolate buttons.
Could be. I wouldn't mind if they were.
I'm going to be all melted. It's very hot today.
Fork seals. For the Benelli, which there are 4. 2 on each leg.
Bikes don't have legs.
I think you find they do.
No.
Anyway, they're
legs.
Their legs, yeah. So normally they just have 1 seal, but these have got 2.
Okay.
I don't know why, but they do.
Do all Benellis actually?
I've no idea.
Okay.
Right. I'm hoping this is the chrome stuff from Unique Plating and Polishing in Birmingham.
Ah, so that's a different one.
This is a different one. This is all the bits and bobs. Right, put that somewhere safe. Have we got something nice and
Oh, clean cloth.
clean cloth? Right, just going to go around that side and we'll unpackage the excitement. Ooh, shiny front forky bits. That's nice. Headlight bezel, that was a mess, wasn't it? There were more rust on that than out else. It's lovely, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice job on that.
Oh, it was a crossword for me.
Yeah. That's the bit that goes there.
Yep.
That looks nice. Springer sprung.
Zebedee.
Yep. Nice. Rear shock springs.
Very shiny.
Yep. Lovely job. Any ideas?
Something on the back.
There, it's that one.
Or the front. Oh yes, I see that. Front and
But
back.
somebody's painted that one black rather than chrome.
Oh. Not very friendly.
Tint, is it? Chrome brake lever. That's nice. Well, when you compare it to that one, which has been blacked, painted black,
Is it?
and that side, look.
Oh, I see, yeah. More shiny bits.
More shiny bits.
Oh, it's a lot in there.
Oh yeah. Kickstart shaft. Aha. Kickstart shiny bit that goes in there, look.
Right.
These are fork bits. And the last. Oh no, these are these bits here.
Oh, for the headlights.
Headlamps.
Side lights.
Indicators,
That's a good.
which mine are black. Rear chrome ones, which go here,
Yeah,
that way.
it's so different, so yeah, it's all in one.
Yeah, all in one. That's nice. And ooh, they're nice as well. They are, which I can't show you on this bike because they don't have them, but it does have them on that one. They're there, look.
Hang on, I can't see. Yeah. Ah, in front wheel, yeah.
On my race bike, they're aluminium,
Yeah.
but on these ones they're chrome.
Okay. So we've got three Benellis. One's aluminium, one's chrome, and one's black.
One hasn't got any.
Oh, one hasn't got any,
He doesn't have any on this one because it's got a disc brake.
Ah, I see. So these drum brakes?
They're drums, yeah. So yeah, they're all done now.
Brilliant.
So that is all sorted.
That's Dave's Christmas present.
Yeah, all done. So put that back in there. I most probably put a lot of that back in the box
Yeah, to keep it safe. Yeah.
to keep it safe. So we will be getting back on with the Benelli. The ignition's over there, in that box over there.
Yeah.
So that needs fitting. There's a fly in the building. Bzzz, at least it's not a midge. So I'll be able to get on a lot with this, get the front forks done, get the rear shocks done, rebuilt, put them back on, because they look nice. These are, to say they're old, they don't look good. There's a bit at the bottom which isn't on there, bit on there. Anyway, so they're going to look really good when they're done. Yeah, they've all been painted, so that's all going to look good. So I think that's it for today. The excitement of opening boxes and getting ready for the next bit. Really good. So we will be doing, the next video will be at Cadwell Park. We're there for 2 days, so we'll get quite a lot of filming done of John on the 350. Hopefully we won't have a lot of trouble, and we should have a good meeting. So we'll see you there. Say bye bye, Susie.
Bye bye, Susie.
Bye now. Cheers.